guys, today I'm going to be playing with some slimes that I got from the store. I got these two fluffy small ones, these two big fluffy slimes, and this elastic plastic. This one's supposed to be very stretchy. It bubbles up to 20 times its size, and it expands. It expandifies 100 times. And wacky slappy sound effects. So let's get into it. This is the first one that I'm going to be playing with. It's the Aqua Fluffy Slime. It's a very fluffy slime texture. It's pretty stretchy. It's okay. It's a nice color. Overall, it's a pretty nice slime, and I like it. Next we have the same fluffy slime, but it's much bigger. It's by the same brand, Compound Kings. Okay, so this is the slime. It's a nice purple color. Oh. I like this one better. It's more, because there's more slime, it's like just easier to play with. It's the same as the other one. It's pretty stretchy. It's fun to squeeze and play with. It's a very nice color as well. And yeah, it's a very nice slime. The next slime we have is Elasti Plasti by Orb Slimy, and it's called Perry Twinkle. You can see the glitters in the slime. They're like gold glitters in a purple slime. It's such a pretty color. And I love the container. Okay, let's flip the slime. This one's much more filled to the top than the other slimes. Okay, so let's feel it. Oh, I like this one. This one's like kind of glossy. Nice and fun to play with. This one's my favorite one so far. Pretty, wow, that's stretchy. It's pretty stretchy. So the box of this slime says that it makes a nice slappy sound effect. So let's see if that actually works. Yeah, it does. And we're also going to test if it actually makes bubbles up to 20 times its size. So I was trying to do the stretching like that on the box. And I'm finding it very difficult to. Can't really, yeah, you can't really do that. And now when I tried to blow bubbles in it, it was like, it wouldn't work, so I want to try and do it again. So yeah, I just can't do that, and it also does leave some glitter all over your hands. But yeah, let's get on to the next slime. The next slime we have is the Aqua Fluffy Slime. Once again, it's a nice color. This one's pretty glossy. It's just like the other ones. And let's go to the last slime. So here's the last slime. Same as all the rest. It's nice. Color, stretchy, and yeah. I hope hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to give this video a big thumbs up and comment down below which slime was your favorite. Bye!